Hi, my name is Hattie Thomas. I want to share a technology tool with you that is great to use in the classroom. Canva is a graphic design tool that was created in 2012. It provides access to over 1 million photographs, graphics, and fonts. This is my Canva account page. Canva is a great tool to use in the classroom. Number one, because it's free. Also, because of the collaboration that it does allow. If you click on Create a Team, and see you can add up to 400 members, which is way more than any classroom. If you look over to the right, there are many templates and options for students to design and create. There are posters, flyers, and brochures. If you scroll down, there are magazine covers, book covers, many options to work with. My idea was to use the poster with the reading strategy double entry diaries, which is a type of journaling. So if you click on poster, it takes you to this page here. If you look to the left, there are all these pre-made templates which students can use and change the pictures or change the colors, or they can change the text, or students can choose to use the blank page and choose their own backgrounds, choose their own text, upload pictures from online, or search pictures and graphics from Canva. So this is an example of what the activity would look like if students were to read Tuck Everlasting and make an entry after the prologue and after every chapter. First of all, for double entry diaries, readers record things they are reminded of related to personal experiences and background knowledge, and questions they have or things they visualize while reading. This is a best practice because it encourages critical thinking, questioning, reflection. It teaches metacognition and things such as making self-to-text connections and text-to-text connections. It can be used individually or as cooperative learning. It also offers formative assessment, and this is an activity that would be informally assessed as well. So it gives teachers the opportunity to gauge students' comprehension along the way and give instruction or guidance in certain areas as needed. So in a normal double entry diary, students would fold the pages of their journal down the middle. So they would have a crease in the middle, and on one side of the page, they would make entries that would be related to facts of the story. On the other side, they would make entries that would be more reflective and personal. Whenever students finish creating, they can share with their teacher, or they can share with the whole class. It has the purchase option, but that's expensive and really unnecessary because they can also download and have a free PDF to print and use in any way desired. Let's see, here is the PDF here of the page I created. And I thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoy using Canva with double entry diaries and many other reading strategies. Thank you.